In this video, we're going to create the blue rhombus and the red isosceles trapezoid. All right, so starting with our 3-inch equilateral triangle again, I'm just going to take my pencil here and mark the centroid. And again, that centroid is formed by the folds from the original equilateral triangle. All right. Now, what we'll do is we'll just bring one of the vertices of the equilateral triangle to the center. A little something like that. And then I'm going to now take that fold and bring it onto the opposite edge of the equilateral triangle. Okay, so let me just maybe draw that in here. So there's that fold I made first, and then bring that onto the opposite edge of the equilateral triangle, and that gives me a parallel fold through the centroid of the big equilateral triangle. So now you can see that red trapezoid that's formed. Let me grab my red pen here and just color that in. Okay? So there's your red trapezoid. And again, you could fold this corner in and this corner in, and you get another one, right? Get two from this equilateral triangle. And I'm going to start with another fresh 3-inch equilateral triangle, and we'll produce the rhombus. Again, I'm going to mark the centroid of the triangle. And I'm going to fold one of the vertices into that centroid. And I'm going to fold that onto the opposite side, just like I did before. All right. And then I'm going to fold the same type of manner here. I'm going to take the bottom left and fold that into the centroid. And again, fold the opposite to the opposite side here, like so. And I'll do it one more time. I'm going to fold the top down to the center, and then bring that fold onto the opposite edge. Let's open up and see. Now there's a lot of folds going on here, but if you train your eye, you should be able to see the rhombus. I probably did a few extra folds that I needed to, but that blue rhombus is right here. Okay, so let me grab my blue pen here, my blue marker, and just quickly color that in so you can see it. All right, so that's the blue rhombus with the 1-inch sides. And again, you can get 3 of them from that hexagon. Okay, so there's your blue trapezoid, blue rhombus, and your red trapezoid from those equilateral triangles. And come on back for the next video and we'll show you how to tackle the square and the tan rhombus.